In today's episode, we're unboxing a new vacuum. Welcome back, guys. Again, in today's episode, we are unboxing a new vacuum I've gotten for Father's Day. If you guys are new to the channel and you want to see more garage gear and follow along with my garage build process, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. You guys know I'm a big fan of Milwaukee Tool. I'm in the Milwaukee area. I love Milwaukee Tool. I got a bunch of friends that work there. So, my M18 battery died this winter because I left it out in the cold. It got frozen and thawed multiple times. Anyways, long story short, I've left it in the garage for too long. Should have brought it into the basement for the winter, but I have purchased a new M18 battery, 2 of them, and with it came a free Milwaukee vacuum. So I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys, walk you through what I got, and then we'll probably do a follow-up video on the vacuum shortly. So let's get to it. Let's start unboxing. So, big fan of Milwaukee Tool. Again, bunch of friends that work for them, and just a really good company, good quality products. I'm sure you have seen Matt Mormon get to the extreme level on the Milwaukee equipment, and so we've got the Milwaukee 2-gallon vacuum. So I've got a little DeWalt plug-in vacuum right now, but you know, I wanted to just give this one a try, see what it's all about. Figured this one would be a good vacuum for the car, especially because you don't have to fight with a cord that gets plugged into the wall, and the M18 battery probably will give this thing enough suction power to, you know, not need a corded unit at all. It'll be one less thing to manage, one less thing to worry about scratching the paint. So really excited about unboxing this. What else do we got here? The 2 M18 6.0 high output red lithium battery. So this is to replace the battery that I, completely my fault, screwed up. So pretty excited about these. Let's set these to the side, and then we can get into unboxing this vacuum to see what it is all about. So it looks almost like a toolbox. Looks pretty compact. I will put a link down below to where I got it from, but pretty excited to check this thing out. So here is the vacuum. I'm excited to see what Matt comes back with on his Milwaukee challenge, I guess you could call it. Everything that he's going through right now with ordering all the M12 and M18 product. So got the on-off here, it looks like. Got the toolbox style opening. You've got the hose right here. That's pretty cool. That fits right in there. Nice. Got your 2 attachments here. Get rid of that. Fit right on the hose. Nice. That goes in there. Got your other wider attachment here. Not bad. That goes in like that. Perfect. All right. And then, let's see, let's buckle this top part back up. And open the bottom portion here. 2 buttons, 2 buckles. One on the front here, one on the back. Pop that open. And then you've got your filter and your storage right there. Pretty cool. Lock that down. Open this back up. And then your battery goes right in here. So let's open this up. M18 6.0. Push it in there. Pull that out. That's out all the way. Lock this down and nice. Cordless, not too bad. I like it. Open it back up. Grab an attachment. Put the attachment on. Good to go. I think you can also switch this out and switch this out. Take the hose off. Turn this around. Put it in here. Lock it down. And now, yep. So, pretty cool. Fairly inexpensive. I will put the link in the description below, but you now have a portable vacuum. That's pretty exciting. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Have you used one before? We'll do another review video on it. See, probably clean the car, clean the steps in the house. It's almost like a big, dust buster. But let me know what you think about it. Thanks again for watching Detached Garage.